Good day, kids! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So para sa araw na to, ang pag-aaralan natin ay solve percent problems such as percent of increase or decrease, rate of increase or decrease, base of increase or decrease. After going through with this video, you were expected to solve percentage problems such as percentage of increase or decrease, including discounts, original price, rate of the discount, sale price, markup price, commission, sales tax, and simple interest. So, paano nga ba natin kinukuha yung percentage increase or decrease? To find the amount of increase or decrease of a given number, multiply the number by the rate. To determine the amount after the increase or decrease, add the amount to the number if it is an increase, and subtract the amount from the given number if it is decrease. Okay, halimbawa, what number is 10% more than 150? So, ang kukunin natin dito ay ang percentage. Given ang ating rate, which is 10%, at ang ating base na si 150. So, we will multiply the number by the rate. So, let us multiply the base, which is 150, kay rate, which is 10%. So, 150 times 0.10. is equal to 15. Now, the next step, sabi dito more than. So, increasing siya. We will add the amount to the number, which is 150. I-add natin yung amount na nakuha natin, which is 15. So, 150 plus 15 is equal to 165. So, the number that is 10% more than 150 is 165. Next number, number 2. What number is 20% less than 150? So, given ulit ang ating rate, which is 20%, at ang base natin na si 150. So, hahanapin ulit natin dito yung percentage na nag-decrease dahil sa salitang less than. Okay? I-apply ulit natin. We will multiply the number, which is 150, sa ating rate na 20%. So, 150 times 0.2 or 0.20 is equal to, so let us solve 70 times 10% or 70 times 0.10 is equal to 7. Now, let us subtract since less than daw siya. 70 minus 7 is equal to 63. So, the number that is 10% less than 70 is 63. Dumako naman tayo sa rate of increase or decrease. To find the rate of increase or decrease, we first find the amount of increase or decrease. Then, divide this amount by the base. The base can sometimes be identified as the number that follows the word than. The quotient of the amount of increase or amount of decrease divided by the base is expressed as percent or as fraction in its lowest term. Number 1, 84 is what percent more than 80? So, let us follow the step. Determine the amount increased. Okay, so isusubtract lang natin siya. So, 84 minus 80. So, the amount increased is 4. Next step. Divide the amount of increase by the base. So, 4 all over our base is 84. Last, change the decimal to percent. So, let us divide muna. 84. So, example number 1. 84 is what percent more than 80? Okay? Sundan natin itong mga steps na to. First, determine the amount increase. So, paano nga ba natin malalaman? We will just subtract. 84 minus 80 is equal to 4. Next step, divide the amount of increase by the base. So, 4 divided by our base, which is 84. Given ulit ang ating rate, which is 25%, and our base, which is 200. So, let us multiply 200 times 25% or 200 times 0.25 is equal to 50. Next, we will add it to our base. So, 200 plus 50, inad natin dahil sa word na greater than, ibig sabihin nag-increase siya. So, 200 plus 50 is equal to 250. So, the number which is 25% greater than 200 is 250. Number 4, what number is 10% less than 70? So, our rate is 10% and our base is 70. So pansinin natin yung word clue, less than. So, ibig sabihin, decrease siya. So, dumako naman tayo sa rate of increase or decrease. To find the rate of increase or decrease, we first find the amount of increase or decrease. Then, divide this amount by the base. The base can sometimes be identified as the number that follows the word than. The quotient of the amount of increase or amount of decrease divided by the base is expressed as percent or as fraction in its lowest term. Example number 1. 84 is what percent more than 80? So, tandaan natin, 84, this is our percentage. 80, this is our base. So, kanina, dun sa binasa natin, ang base daw ay sumusunod sa salitang than. So, our base is 80. So, paano nga ba natin ito kukunin? So, first step is to determine the amount increase. So, paano natin malalaman yun? We will just subtract. 84 minus 80 is equal to 4. Next, divide the amount of increase by the base. So, 4 divided by 80. Let us divide 4 divided by 80. So, bawal. Mag-decimal point tayo para madagdagan ng 0. 40 divided by 80 is 0. 0 times 80 is equal to 0. 40 minus 0 is equal to 40. Dagdag ulit tayo ng 0. Bring down 0. 400 divided by 80 is equal to 5. 5 times 80 is equal to 400. 400 minus 400 is equal to 0. So, our answer is 0.05. Last step, change the decimal to percent. Diba? Pag mag-change tayo ng decimal sa percent, we will multiply it kay 100. So, since 100 siya, tas decimal point, we will move 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So, our answer is 5, then the percent sign, 5%. So, 84 is 5% more than 80. Next, number 2. 125 is what percent less than 150? Okay, first step, determine the amount decreased. So, 150 minus 125 is equal to 25. Next, divide the amount of decrease by the base. So, pagkatapos ng than, this is our base. So, let us divide 25 all over 150. So, 25, then 150, bawal. So, magdagdag tayo ng decimal point. 250 divided by 150 is equal to 1. 1 times 150 is equal to 150. 250 minus 150 is equal to 100. Let's add another decimal point. 1,000 divided by 150 is equal to 6. 6 times 150 is equal to 900. 1,000 minus 900 is equal to 100. Then, add ulit tayo ng 0. So, repeating decimal siya. So, 0.1666 and so on. So, times 100. That is our third step. Change the decimal to percent. So, let us move to decimal places. So, 16.66%. 105 is what percent more than 100? Okay? First step, determine the amount increase. So, 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. Next, divide the amount of increase by the base. So, 5 divided by 100. 5 divided by 100, so bawal, decimal point ulit, so 0. 50 divided by 100 is 0. 0 times 100 is equal to 0. 50 minus 0 is equal to 50. Let us add another 0, bring down 0. 500 divided by 100 is equal to 5. 5 times 100 is equal to 500, so subtract. So, our answer is 0.05. Then, the third step is to change the decimal to percent. So, times 100 ulit. Let us move to decimal places. So, our answer is 5%. So, 105 is 5% more than 100. Okay, for our last example, 100 is what percent less than 1,000? So, first step is to determine the amount decreased. So, 1,000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Next step is to divide the amount of decrease by the base. So, 900 divided by 1,000. Let us divide 900 divided by 1,000. So, maglagay tayo ng decimal point. 9,000 divided by 1,000 is equal to 9. 9 times 1,000 is equal to 9,000. 9,000 minus 9,000 is equal to 0. So, our answer is 0.9. Then, the third step is to change the decimal to percent. So, times 100. Mag-move ulit tayo ng dalawang decimal places. So, 1, 2. So, magiging 90%. So, 100 is 90% less than 1,000. Base of increase or decrease. To solve for the base, given the amount and the rate of the increase and decrease, we take the following steps. Number 1, if the rate of increase is given, add this to 100%. While, if the rate decrease is given, subtract the rate from 100%. Divide the given percentage by the sum obtained in step 1. 10% more than what number is 330. So, given ang ating rate at ang ating percentage. So, let us follow the steps. Add the rate to 100%. So, 100% plus 10% is equal to 110% or 1.1. Next step. Divide the given percentage by the sum obtained in step 1. So, 330 divided by 1.1. Let us divide. So, kapag may decimal point, mag-move tayo ng isa. So, 1.1 will become 11. Then, 330 will become 3,300. Let's divide. 33 divided by 11 is 3. 3 times 11 is equal to 33. 33 minus 33 is equal to 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 11 is 0. 0 times 11 is 0. Subtract. 0, bring down 0. 0 divided by 11 is 0. 0 times 11 is equal to 0. So, 0. So, our answer is 300. Number 2, 2,400 is 20% less than what number? So, given is our rate and our percentage. First step, subtract the rate to 100%. Bakit siya subtract? Dahil hinahanap na natin yung decrease. So, 100% minus 20% is equal to 80% or 0.8. Next step is to divide the given percentage by the sum obtained in step 1. So we have 2,400 all over 0.8. Let's divide 2,400 divided by 0.8. May decimal point. Let us move one place. So 0.8 will become 8. Then 2,400 will become 24,000. Let's divide. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So, ito kokopyahin na lang natin siya. So, our answer is 3,000. So, 2,400 is 20% less than 3,000. So, thank you for listening. I am your virtual teacher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Abangan nyo yung next video which is application of percentage. Bye!